Hi, this is King of Review. In this problem, we're asked to find the values of x and y. We're given this equation here, and this equation has three matrices in it. What is a matrix? A matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers in rows and columns. Row by column is how you name the matrix. This is also its dimensions. So let's look at the first matrix. This matrix has 1, 2, 3 rows, and it has 1, 2, 3 columns. So this would be a 3 by 3 matrix because it has 3 rows and 3 columns. Now, when you add or subtract matrices, you must add or subtract corresponding entries. And you can only add or subtract matrices with the same dimensions. So you can see here, we want to subtract these two matrices, but in order to do so, they must have the same dimensions. So let's figure out the dimensions here on the second matrix. Well, it has 1, 2, 3 rows, and it has 1, 2, 3 columns. So it is also a 3 by 3. They're both 3 by 3 matrices. Therefore, we can subtract them. Now, when we add or subtract, you have to add or subtract the corresponding entries. So what does this mean? Well, if you're looking at the upper left entry here, you must subtract the upper left entry here. So both of these entries are in row 1, column 1. So we can set this up. 12 minus 2, that's going to give us 10. Now let's look at the next entry. We have 4 minus a 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 7 minus 9. This is negative 2. 9 minus 7. This is 2. X minus 6. This is x minus 6. 3 minus 0. This is 3. Y minus 5 is y minus 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. And 5 minus 13 is negative 8. And this is equal to the third matrix. 10, 1, negative 2, 2, negative 4, 3, negative 7, 5, and negative 8. If two matrices are equal, then their dimensions are the same and the entries in corresponding positions are equal. So this is a 3 by 3 because it has 3 rows and 3 columns, and this is a 3 by 3 matrix because it has 3 rows and 3 columns. They're set equal to one another, therefore the corresponding entries are equal to one another. You can see that. 10 is equal to 10. 1 is equal to 1. Negative 2 is equal to negative 2. So what we want to do here, again, remember we're trying to solve for x and y, so let's look at entries that contain an x or a y. So we have x minus 6, and this corresponds to a negative 4. We have y minus 5, and this corresponds to a negative 7. So using this information, we can set up some equations. X minus 6 equals negative 4, and y minus 5 equals a negative 7. So we have the equations that we need to solve for x and y. So here I'm going to add 6 on both sides. I'm left with x equals negative 4 plus 6, which is 2. So now I know that x is equal to 2. For this second equation, I'm going to add 5 on both sides. Y equals negative 7 plus 5, which is negative 2. So now I know that y is equal to negative 2. So letter E is correct. Thanks for watching.